And UP is voting in the sixth phase of elections today. 49 seats, 49 constituencies going to the polls. But the big focus right now is Varanasi, that only goes to the polls in the seventh phase. But that's because all the big names, the big guns have descended on Varanasi today. You have the Prime Minister who has arrived in Varanasi. He is making his way to the Kashi Vishwanath temple in a road show. It's turned out into a show of strength, though the administration had told NDTV there was no permission, there was no talk of a road show. It was simply a visit to the Kashi Vishwanath temple that the Prime Minister is making. But as you can clearly see, the streets are lined with BJP supporters and BJP flags, and the Prime Minister is waving to the crowds. Remember, this is a VIP constituency. It is the city that sent the Prime Minister to Parliament, and that's why the big focus and the big push from all parties is right here. At later today at noon, Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav, the Chief Minister, will also be taking out a road show that is meant to be at noon. But for the moment, the Prime Minister, as you can see, is making this into a massive display of optics, a show of strength as he makes his way to the Kashi Vishwanath temple. In fact, top leaders and top ministers from his cabinet have been camping in Varanasi ahead of today, ensuring that everything goes smoothly. The Prime Minister, after visiting the temples at Kashi Vishwanath, he will then leave Varanasi and go to Jaunpur. That's where he's going to be addressing a political rally, and then in the evening he will be returning to Varanasi and hold a meeting at the town hall. So the Prime Minister there taking out a clear show of strength as he visits his constituency, and he is there. He is going to Kashi Vishwanath and Kal Bhairav temples, where he's going to offer prayers before he leaves for Jaunpur. And later today, you're also going to have a 10-kilometer long route that will be taken by the Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav and the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi, who are going to take out a roadshow that has been postponed twice already. But today, finally, this roadshow will be taken out in Varanasi. So really a packed day for Varanasi, and the administration, they're on their toes to ensure that all the various political programs run smoothly. Also, BSP Chief Mayawati is holding a rally, but fortunately that is a bit on the outskirts. It's outside of the city limits. It's in Rohania, where she will be holding a rally today. Remember, the BSP Chief Mayawati holds a few rallies, but they're big ones. So we're expecting a massive crowd to turn up for her rally as well.